I remember the day well. When my husband told me he looked at porn again, he said this would be the last time. But he said that last time. He justified it and moralized it. He even told me it was no big deal. But it was. I was ready to call it quits. I kept asking God why He put me in this situation, in this marriage. I was starting to question everything I knew. But that's when a friend told us about this program for marriages struggling because of porn. My husband joined a group. He was doing his homework and going to his meetings. He was changing. I found a group too. A place to talk about what I'm going through. A group of other women who've experienced the same things. I started to find my voice, to feel whole again. It felt so good. Now, only a year later, I have my husband back. I have my marriage back. A new future is being written for us.